Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Hasa Muhammad Sharif.
My name is Jihan Amalia
And today we are going to explain about what computer software and system operations are.
Yes, and we hope this video is informative for all of the users. Let's hop into video.
Okay, before we start, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to Mrs. Nur Hasanah Halim MMMPD for being our English lecturer. Her guidance and support have greatly helped us creating this PowerPoint presentation. We apologize if the presentation is not perfect, as we are always looking for ways to improve. Thank you for your understanding, and we hope you find the presentation informative.
What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that processes data. It takes input, processes it, stores it, and gives output. Computer help us work faster and more easily. So guys, a computer is an electronic device that is asked to handle data and information. It can perform different tasks like writing, calculating, designing, browsing the internet, and even playing games. History of computers. The history of computers began with the abacus, the earliest tool used for counting. Later, mechanical calculators like the Pascaline were invented. In the
1940s,
early computers vacuum tubes. They are big and slow. Today, computers are much faster, using microprocessors and connected through the internet. Basically, a computer works in 4 steps: input, process, store, and output. What are the 4 main steps means? First, input means giving information to the computer, like typing on a keyboard or clicking a mouse. Second, processing is when the computer works on that data as in its brain, called the processor. Third, storage means saving data, like saving your homework in a folder. And fourth, output is when the computer gives us the result, like showing the answer on the screen on printing a paper. Computers are very useful in many areas like education, business, health, and entertainment. That's why learning how to use computer is very important.
software and operating system. Software is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do. Operating system, or OS, is the main software that manages the computer's hardware or other software. Okay, let's start with the software. Software is a collection of programs or instructions that tell the computer what to do. Without software, a computer is just a piece of metal and plastic. It can't do anything. Think of software like the brain of the computer that gives it the ability to perform tasks. Software can be broadly categorized into 2 main types: system software and application software. System software manages the computer's hardware and provides a platform for application software to run. Application software, on the other hand, performs specific tasks for the user, like word processing or even web browsing. First, system software. Operating system, or OS, the core software that manages the computer's hardware and provides a foundation for other software to run, like Windows or Mac OS. Device drivers, software that allows the operating system to communicate with hardware devices like printers or even video cards. Language processors, software that translate programming languages into instructions that the computer can understand, like compilers and interpreters. Middleware, software that sits between different applications program and operating system, facilitating communication and data exchange. Second, application software. Word processing, software for creating and editing text-based documents, spreadsheet. Software for organizing and manipulating data in tables like Microsoft Excel. Presentation software, software for creating presentation with slides like Microsoft or even PowerPoint. Web browsers, software for accessing and displaying web pages like Google Chrome or Firefox. Okay, let's focus on the operating system, or OS. The operating system is the main software that controls the whole computer. It helps the computer hardware and other software to work together. Without an OS, we can't even turn on or use the computer properly. The OS has many important jobs like managing files and folders, controlling input and output devices like keyboard, mouse, and printer, running applications, managing memory and process. Some common examples of operating systems are Windows by Microsoft, macOS by Apple, Linux, Android used in phones, iOS used in iPhones. So, in short, the software makes the computer useful, and the operating system is the heart of the software that controls everything inside the computer.
Benefits, benefit, benefits of learning computer, software, and operating system helps helps us work faster and smarter, improves digital skills for school or work, make us more independent is using technology, prepares us for future jobs, helps us solve problems using technology, make us understand how devices really work. Learning about computer, software, and operating system gives us many benefits in today's digital world. First, it helps us work faster and more efficiently with computer. We can do tasks like typing, calculating, or designing in a much shorter time than doing them by hand. Second, it improves our digital skills, which are very important for school, college, and work. Almost every job today needs basic computer knowledge. Third, by understanding how software and operating system work, we become more independent. We don't always need to ask others for help when using technology.
Fourth, it prepares us for the future. Many careers in the future will be related to technology, so learning now gives us a big advantage. Fifth, computers help us solve problems creatively, whether it's making a project, analyzing data, or even creating designs. Technology becomes a tool for our creativity and innovation. And finally, learning about operating system helps us understand how computers actually work inside. We don't just use tools, we understand them. Learning about computers, software, and operating systems is just not useful. It's not just useful, it's necessary for success in the modern world. Thank you so much for watching. We hope the video is informative for all of us. See you next time. Bye bye.